Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix failed to connect your YouTube account to Discord error. Let's get started. First, open the Discord and go to the user settings and click connections. Then select YouTube. When you try to connect, you'll get the error, failed to connect your YouTube account. Then here's the reason that this happens. Your Google account doesn't actually have the YouTube channel yet. So, open the YouTube in your browser and sign in with the same Google account that you're trying to link. Then here, click your profile picture at the top right and see the Create Channel and click it. That means that you don't have one yet. Create channel and confirm the name and finish the setup. It only takes a few seconds. Now go back to Discord and click connections, then select YouTube and try connecting again. Click allow and it should be linked successfully. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.